Ant.
Ants don't have ears. Ants hear by feeling vibrations in the ground through their feet.
Bear.
Koalas are not bears, they are marsupials.
Bee.
A bee's buzz is not produced by the beating of its wings but by vibrating muscles.
Bird.
Birds don't have teeth.
Camel.
Camels can completely shut their nostrils during sandstorms.
Cat.
The average cat sleeps 16 to 18 hours per day.
Chicken.
A healthy chicken lays about 265 eggs each year. That's a lot of omelets.
Cow.
Cows can see almost 360 degrees, but not very well straight in front of them.
Deer.
Male deer grow new antlers each year.
Dog.
Dogs can sniff at the same time as breathing.
Duck.
A male duck is called a drake, a female duck a hen, and a baby duck a duckling.
Eagle.
Eagles have excellent eyesight.
Fish.
A large group of fish is called a school.
Fox.
Foxes have large, triangular ears. They have exceptional hearing.
Frog.
Frogs don't need to drink water as they absorb it through their skin.
Goat.
Goats can be taught their name and to come when called.
Worm.
Worms can have between 1 and 5 pairs of hearts.
Hen.
Most chickens swallow gravel to help mash food.
Horse.
Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up.
Kitten.
Kittens are super easy to potty train.
Lion.
A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away.
Monkey.
Apes are not monkeys.
Owl.
A group of owls is called a parliament.
Panda.
Baby pandas are born pink and measure about 15 centimeters.
Pig.
Pigs use grunts to communicate with each other.
Puppy.
Puppies are born blind and deaf.
Rabbit.
A rabbit's teeth never stop growing.
Mouse.
Mice can jump down 3 to 4 meters without injuring themselves.
Crab.
Crabs communicate with each other by drumming or waving their pincers.
Shark.
Sharks do not have bones.
Sheep.
Their wool will grow forever.
Snail.
The snail's body has a head, a neck, a visceral hump, a tail, and a foot.
Snake.
Snakes smell with their tongue.
Spider.
Spiders are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica.
Tiger.
Tigers are the largest amongst other wild cats.
Turtle.
Just like your bones, a turtle's shell is actually part of its skeleton.
Wolf.
A wolf's sense of smell is known to be 100 times stronger than that of humans.
Zebra.
All zebras have unique stripe patterns and no two zebras have the same stripes.
Turkey.
A male turkey is called a tom or gobbler.
Parrot.
Parrots can live up to 80 years old.